Well, Dermstore is at it again with another amazing kit, but on top of this kit that I'm going to share with you today, I have got extra deals that you can stack with it so you can get even more free products and a cheaper price point. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today we are checking out a new limited edition kit from Dermstore. Now, if you've not seen Dermstore before, this is an online retailer that sells lots of beauty products. I love Dermstore because they're very competitive with the other beauty retailers like Sephora and Ulta. So I usually can find better deals over here because they offer just a little bit more. But on top of that, they create their best of Dermstore kits where they will curate a whole collection around a theme of the best products depending on what their theme is. So in this case, Dermstore created an entire collection all centered around vitamin C. And because it is vitamin C month here in April, it's at the perfect time. So right now you guys can get this limited edition bundle and you'll receive the best products at making your skin glow. Now here's the best part. Normally this is $150 to purchase, and then of course there's free shipping on that. But if you use my exclusive coupon code down below, you get to actually save 15% off of your purchase. So 15% off of this, it will make it $127.50 is all you have to pay to get this entire collection. There's still free shipping on that as well. But because Dermstore is also so wonderful, they are offering free gift with purchases for the entire month of April. So right now, as I'm filming this video, it's subject to change, but they are offering a free full-size Elta MD skincare product. And all you have to do is make a purchase on the website. So if you bought this, it will qualify, and then you'll get that free full-size product. Plus, if you are purchasing for the first time ever from Dermstore, they're also going to throw in a free SkinCeuticals product as well for you. So I'm just telling you, Dermstore, they are partying this month in April. Like, they are having so much fun just giving everything away. So I've got that link down below for this particular collection if you guys would like to purchase this bag that you're going to see today. And then I've also got my coupon code. Now keep in mind that all of the free gifts that are available, they are while supplies last. Once those products sell out, they tend to replace it with a different product, but the Elta MD is a really good one to snag. And because it's full size, I mean, even better. But then you still save the 15% off of your total purchase. Now that free gift with purchase is available for new and existing customers. So if you've purchased from them before, you can take advantage of that. The only thing new customers will receive is the SkinCeuticals product. And that is exclusive to those who are creating a new account on Dermstore and purchasing for the first time. All right, let's get into it. I think we went through all of the details. So this is how your bundle will arrive. It's just going to be in this cute makeup bag. These bags are really nice, I have to tell you. I have like 6 of them now though, because I've had every kit from Dermstore, because they're always worth the price point. But I will say they are really nice. They stand up well, they're great for traveling, so I do think it's good quality. Let's start with the humdinger, you guys. This is Obagi, very expensive skincare brand, but they have products that work. This one is their 30%, wow, that's high, 30% vitamin C microdermabrasion polish and mask. It is a full-size product. So this mask is going to use ultra fine crystals, which are going to buff away dull skin or dry skin and remove all of that to give you brighter, softer skin naturally. But then additionally, it's infused with this 30% of vitamin C to add even more radiance to your skin. I have no doubt it's gonna work perfectly. I've not used it myself, but I love Obagi, and I have really great results with their products. So this one is 2.8 ounces. Like I said, it is full size. There is a little spatula spoon that comes right up here on top of it. They mentioned that you want to use this, you want to cleanse first and then apply this product. You want to leave it there for 10 to 15 minutes, just like a mask, and let it really penetrate. Let that acid work through, and that way it will help to give you softer, smoother skin afterwards. And they recommend you do this 2 to 3 times a week. So it's actually a thicker formula than what I realized. I thought it was going to be more like a cream. No wonder why they need the spatula. Oh, I can't even talk. Holy bananas, it's $89. $89 if you wanted to purchase this exact product online at Dermstore, or anywhere for that matter. It's not just Dermstore, but they do have it. So $89 for one product, or you get the entire kit for $127. I knew it was expensive, but it does take your breath away for a minute because it's like, wow. Next product that we have in here today is from Dr. Dennis Gross. This one had to be in here. This is their Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. This I knew we would see in this collection because it works so incredibly well. So this is a sample box that has 5 treatments inside of it. The larger boxes, I believe, come with like 30 treatments inside of theirs, but this one is considered sample because there's 5. But I still feel like it's enough for you to use it. Now this will also be a peel, so it's going to break down texture and smooth out bumps. It'll make your skin softer. It's going to give you that brightening effect afterwards as well. So it's a 2-step peeling process. There are 5 different AHAs and BHAs inside of this, which are all acids that break down any sort of debris on your face. So this will minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of tone and texture, and smooth fine lines. You can do this at home. I always feel like this is the strongest peel you can do at home before having to go see a professional to do anything stronger. So they're very effective. And you don't need to do these very often, just every so often, every time you've kind of noticed it, and then you'll do it again, and it will give you that brightening effect. But love seeing this in there. It's also cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, this is a good one. We have Babor. Love this brand too. This product works. I've used it. So this is their Perfect Glow Serum Concentrates. We have 7 glass vials inside of this box, and then each of those vials will have the serum concentrate. Now, it is going to be a high concentrate, so it's very effective, which is why there's only 7 ml of product in each of those vials, because you only need a little bit to really see big results. So they make a few different versions, but this one is specifically glowy skin, which, you know, case in point, fits the theme of the bag. This is also 100% vegan, and it is a clean beauty product. They mention that you will see an instant glow after using this, which I do agree with. When I tried it before, I did feel like I noticed a difference that night. So I do think it's very quick. But on top of that, your wrinkles will appear to be more reduced. The skin will be firmer. You're going to notice that your pores are more refined, and your skin will be left being radiant, smooth, and even. But as far as my skin looking brighter and having that natural glow, this definitely works. So let's see what this costs. If you were to purchase this exact box, it is $60. $60, you guys, just to buy this one product. So see, we've already paid for this bag. Next up, we have a cleansing balm that will give you brighter skin. This is coming from Allies of Skin. So it is a full-size product. We have 100 ml or 3.4 ounces. This one will be a cleansing balm, so that will be the texture. It will remove dirt and makeup and impurities, but it's also going to give you a brightening effect because it has vitamin C inside of it. So this is the product you would start with. You could do a whole glow up, literally a glow up. Start with this cleanser and then go through, do the mask, the peel, do the serums, and I'm sure we got more items in here that you can incorporate, but this is at least where you would start that process with. But they mention that there is vitamin C in here, and along with that are antioxidants and omegas, so it will make your skin softer, but still giving you that radiating glow. Now this product, I just got this from somewhere. I'm trying to remember where it was. Maybe it was my test tube subscription. I've not tried it yet, but I do have this. I have it in my possession. I just have not used it yet. But I do think it's a pretty simple product. Usually cleansers work for almost everybody, and I like the fact that it does have vitamin C in it. I think it's gonna be a good product. All in all, I think it's gonna work really well. Now the next item that we have in here is from BeautyStat. Oh, they got new packaging too. This is a new look for them. I didn't recognize it at first, but I know BeautyStat. This one is their Universal C Skin Refiner, and this one is full size. So this will help to reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It's also going to give you that brightening effect. I mean, all of these are going to give you brightness. You're not going to look like a light bulb, but you definitely are gonna have that natural glow. And I will say, when somebody is glowing, you notice it right away. And you're like, you look really great. Like, and you sometimes can't pinpoint what it is, but there is a difference. You will notice, they're like, yeah, you look really great. What are you doing? And then you're like, yeah, I just got better skincare products. You know what I mean? It's a simple little trick, but people really do notice. So this is what it looks like. Gotta say, this is not on Dermstore. I am not loving this new packaging. I don't mind the box, but this is giving me such a retro vibe that it looks kind of dated. I don't know. I'm just being a little critical of this, but I don't love the new look they're going for. Now, this one is going to feature 20% vitamin C inside of this. So you will have quite a bit. I mean, it's a strong amount, so I do feel like you're gonna see results with this product as well. Is this hair care? Clever! See, I love when they think outside of the box. So the next item that we have is a hair care product. It's called the Sun Catcher from R&Co. They have vitamin C in here, which boosts your hair. So it's a leave-in conditioner that gives it also that shine, that natural glow, but it's also gonna hydrate the hair as well because it is a conditioner product. So I love that they thought of more than just, you know what I mean, the skincare for your face. This is very clever. So full size, I think it's full size, 4.2 ounces. I'll look it up, but I think this is full size. Gluten-free and vegan. It says it will supercharge your hair. This is a leave-in conditioner that will soften, seal, detangle, fight frizz, and it says that you can still style and work through it for the rest of the day. So you can put this on damp hair. It will help to cut down on that frizz, give you a little bit of shine, all that good stuff. Yes, full size. So the R&Co Sun Catcher is a full-size product that we have in here. But there's a lot of full-size products. Of course, now I say that and I look in here and it's just little minis left. But anyways, there's still quite a bit. So the next item that we have is from Lancer. This is their moisturizer that has ceramides inside of it. I was wondering, I was thinking we needed, you know, a nice moisturizer. This one doesn't say that it has vitamin C inside of it. It just says that you can use it on the face and neck twice a day. It's 7.5 ml and it's an ultra rich cream. So this is ultra hydrating. It might be too much hydration. If you have oily skin, this might be better. Whenever it's ultra, that's typically designed for really dry skin, but you may just want to try it out. I have really oily skin, so I have to be careful with products like this because otherwise I get like a slip and slide going on in my face. Start having Pangea over here and like my eyeshadow's moving this way and then my blush is going this way and it's like all over the place. There's also BareMinerals inside of this kit, and this one is a blush and bronzer duo. So we get a little bit of makeup in here. So it's a complexion rescue bronzer. Blonzer is what they said, because it's blush and bronzer. Got it. The shade is Kiss of Mauve. So this is what it looks like. We do have a sample here, and then this will be the shade. Beautiful color though. I like that. Great for spring, very natural. So here is what your little sample will look like. I will say, even though it's a sample, you don't need a lot for blush. It's a cream product, so you take a little bit, and I'm sure it's going to be powerful enough that you could blend it out. So I'm guessing, even though this is, what do we have, 5 ml of product, you probably could get a couple of weeks worth of use out of this still. And then that way you would know if you like it or not. And last up, we have some sunscreen in here, but this is the Glow Screen. Because, you know, we can't have just normal sunscreen. We have to have glowing sunscreen to be in this bag. So this is from Supergoop. It is SPF 40. We have 10 ml of product, so a little bit larger for this sample. So this sunscreen is vegan. There's no synthetic fragrances added to this either. It's non-irritating and safe for sensitive skin. They mentioned that it's SPF 40, but it also has a pearlescent formula inside of this. So not only is it a sunscreen, it's going to have a little bit of that shimmer, that pearl vibe, that it will give you an underneath glow. So this can double as a makeup gripping primer and still be your SPF. So you would put this on after you've done all of your skincare routine. You would put this on beneath your foundation, and that way you've got kind of that luminous glow that's going to help to shine through all of your makeup even, but still protecting you from the UV rays. So that is everything from Dermstore in their Radiant C Glow Edit. I mean, holy bananas, you guys. I knew this was gonna be good. I saw the photo and I was like, yeah, this one is gonna be a huge hitter. And I would bet money it will sell out because there's a lot of great brands, but all of these products work really well together. It's curated well with like the cleanser, and you get the mask and the hydrating or the moisturizer. You know what I mean? You just get everything you need. And for summer, this is perfect. So 9 items inside of this bag. Like I said, you're going to pay $127.50 for all of these products if you use my code. So if you guys are interested in this kit, like I said, my gut is telling me this one will sell out faster than their other previous kits. So I have the link down below. I would get it as soon as you can, but then additionally, use my code, save the savings on it. You will be getting free shipping on this order also. And then if you order while they're doing their free giveaways, you'll receive an additional product with your order. Now that free product will automatically add to your cart at checkout. All you have to do is add your items to your shopping cart. So you'll just put this in your cart, apply my discount code, and then automatically the free gifts will apply themselves. So if you're able to get the Elta MD item that's live right now, that's also another win on top of this bag. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of the Radiant C Edit from Dermstore? We can chit chat all about it. I mean, you already heard me. I love it. I think this is great. It's one of the best kits I've seen them put together recently. I like this more than the sunscreen kit even that they just came out with. But I think it's a wonderful bag. So if you guys are interested, like I said, I have all the details down below. Go get yourself some free products on top of it. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!